The session, we will be learning how to add date in Excel spreadsheet.
Now there are multiple ways to add date to Excel spreadsheet. For example, equals to today. This is a shortcut method and you can enter, done. You will have today's date. But again, there is some problem with this kind of approach. So today's date is 4th of September 2022. Now, if you open the same spreadsheet after today, that is tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then you will have a concurrent date, that is 5th of September or 6th of September, right? The date will always vary or get updated according to time. Now, you don't want to change that, or you don't want that to be happening with employee's date of joining, right? It should be stagnant. It should not vary, right? So there is another shortcut way apart from using the datetime functions. There is a keyboard shortcut where you can add date to Excel. That is Control semicolon. So this is the shortcut way to add date to your Excel spreadsheet, and this particular date will not change. This will remain the same constant date throughout the time. Now, there is a chance where you might also have to add time to your spreadsheet. That is date of joining and time of joining, right? So there is another simple shortcut where you can add time by just pressing 3 keys. That is holding Control, holding Shift and pressing semicolon. Then you'll have the time. So this is how you can add date to your Excel spreadsheet and add time to your Excel spreadsheet. And this date and time will remain constant. It will not vary like the today function that we have used here. With this, we have come to an end of the session on how to add date in Excel.